Hello everybody, good afternoon. I would like to convince the people who are smoking to stop by using some easy ways. All of you know that smoking is the main reason for cancer. So according to history, today each year smoking kills more people than HIV, alcohol, drug abuse and car crashes. So, as college students, some of you are smoking, some of you smoke and some of you are not. And some of you will not listen to other people to stop smoking. So, I have three ways to stop smoking, and I hope to help you. There are called Turkey, and nicotine tapering, and cutting down gradually. Let's talk about them and see if you can use one of them. Cold turkey means to give up smoking there and then, without the help of any medical aid. This is probably the most popular and quickest method of giving up smoking. The cold turkey method involves setting a date to give up smoking and then not smoking from that day onward. Some people just decide one day to stop smoking, although they may have been thinking about it for a while. Then, nicotine tapering. Nicotine tapering is also known as nicotine fading. The smoker reduces the nicotine intake gradually over a period of weeks and then gives up completely on a set date. The idea is that the less nicotine there is in the body, this method is fairly effective with success rate of around 35% after a year. Finally, cutting down gradually. Some smokers have quit successfully by cutting down gradually. For example, you may start by cutting down to 5 cigarettes a day or less, or delaying the first cigarette by an hour each day. Eventually, however, a point must be reached where smoking is stopped altogether, as in cold turkey. So I talked about 3 ways to stop smoking, which are cold turkey, nicotine tapering, and cutting down gradually. In the end, most people will feel extremely proud of themselves if they manage to stop smoking using these methods. Thank you for listening.
Okay.